All right, once you finish your design on one half of your pie piece, I want you to go ahead and go back to the full screen view so that you can kind of see what it is. So I'm going to show you the full screen, and you can see that half of each pie piece is filled in with the design you made, and then of course half of it is not. So we're going to go back to the pie piece now, and you are going to need to select all of the pieces except for, of course, the pie piece itself. Okay, so I selected everything and then I held Shift and clicked on this to deselect it. I'm going to go to the Object menu, Transform, Reflect. We're going to reflect vertical, and I'm going to hit Copy. It makes a duplicate copy that I can then move over. And I'm just using the arrows on my keyboard. I'm not using my mouse, because if I use my mouse, I have a tendency to move it up and down as well as left to right. So only the arrows on the keyboard. And I think I've got it there. So I'll deselect and take a look. I think that's all lined up, so I can go back and take a look at it. And there is my finished mandala. Okay, now obviously you at this point can go in and add some color to your mandala. I would go ahead and keep one that is strictly black and white, and then save it again as a colored version. And then of course both And then of course both of them we want to export and save for web as a PNG with a transparent background. I am unchecking clip to artboard so that all of the extra transparent sides can be removed. And freezing. Come on. Maybe I need to, here, let me try that one more time. Okay. I think it might be complex, and it is slowing down the computer. And do make sure that when you save it as a PNG that you double check the output to make sure that it is working correctly, because mine is saying something crazy about 8,315 by 8,000 pixels. So I must have had something outside of it that I forgot to delete. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it to artboard and hit done so that I have my finished mandala.